How to remove customer account login from your Shopify menu. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. It is extremely simple to do, so let's just go in and show you what I'm going to be doing in this video. Basically, you're going to have this login tab here on your Shopify store. By default, it's going to be up here on top. So if you just want to hide this and you don't really want to bother with customer accounts, you can feel free to basically just remove this entirely. So all you need to do really is just go back to your Shopify admin and scroll down to the bottom. You should be able to find settings. Click on that and you're going to also find the customer accounts tab here. Simply click on it and the first option you are going to be able to find here is going to be sign in links, which says show sign in links in the header of online store and at checkout. All you need to do is just go ahead and turn this off. And we are pretty much good to go. We can just go back to our Shopify store. We can view our online store and see that the icon for the login is no longer available. People can't actually log into our store. Sometimes you do need to actually restart your store just for it to change. So a few restarts later, it actually does disappear and no one can actually log in anymore. So it's just going to take a little bit of time to, effectively change. With that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. As you can see, it was extremely simple. So hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.